Hey guys, Inkichi is here. So today we'll be talking about serotonin. What is serotonin? To name it scientifically, we call it 5-hydroxytryptamine. Let's just stick to serotonin. Serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter. We heard about many neurotransmitters such as dopamine, acetylcholine, melatonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter. And neurotransmitters, they basically transmit message from one nerve cell to another cell. So a nerve cell is called a neuron. So we found in the gut, or should I say in the intestine. Can also be found in the central nervous system made up of the brain and spinal cord, and together in blood platelets. So when we receive any form of laceration, cut or whatnot, bruises or any such thing as that, we know that platelets come to the surface to facilitate proper blood clotting, right? So as the platelets do its job, the platelets also release serotonin, and the serotonin facilitates vasoconstriction, which causes the blood vessels to constrict, and hence there will be a slow flow of blood, which will facilitate also the process of the clotting, or the clotting process, I should say. Upset, or should I say nauseated, you feel nauseated or whatnot, serotonin is responsible for that. So if it is that we may have consumed some irritants or toxins or whatnot, serotonin is produced to help get rid of that as fast as possible. Yeah. So serotonin is important for that, right? So together with that, serotonin is also important for our mood. So it is found with some individuals, low levels of serotonin contribute to depression. So that is a clear sign of a deficiency in serotonin, I should say. And with patients who suffer with depression may take selective reuptake inhibitors, and these are medications that help boost serotonin in these patients, or helps in its long-term effect in the body, I should say. Another function of serotonin is in memory. So in patients with Alzheimer's is a disease, shall I say, a disorder of the brain in which persons are unable to function best cognitively and in their daily activities or whatnot, right? So in patients with Alzheimer's, it was found that they suffered with lower levels of serotonin, right? And serotonin is also responsible for our mood, right? So in this process, high levels of serotonin was related to happiness, as it's known as the happy chemical or whatnot. It is also related to the regulation of melatonin, and melatonin is the hormone responsible for our sleeping cycle and whatnot. So serotonin is the precursor to melatonin, and I forget to mention to you that tryptophan is the precursor to serotonin, and tryptophan is basically an essential amino acid which helps in the formation of serotonin. It is an amino acid found in meats, beans, can be found in oatmeal, right? So this can be found in that. So that's it for today, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And any questions you may have, please feel free to leave them down in the comments. Thank you for watching.